Now the second big category, the inter-AS routing. There's in fact just one protocol defining the category, the BGP. Now this is also the routing protocol that runs on all these gateway routers, okay, that are higher in the internet routing hierarchy. OSPF, DRIP, EDRIP, those are the intra-AS routing. So those runs on the regular routers, okay, within an AS. Now, network admin gets to choose one intra-AS routing protocol versus another, okay, as long as all the routers within the AS runs the same routing protocol. Similarly, at the higher level, these gateway routers, okay, in order to find a way to reach each other, they need to run the same routing protocol as well. You see, there's no need of having an alternative, okay, inter-AS routing protocol. Therefore, BGP here is the only inter-AS routing. Very critical. It plays the role of enabling all these packets being exchanged, okay, in the core of the internet. We'll talk more about BGP, but let me share just a little bit ahead of time. BGP here is based on the distance vector routing. To be exact, okay, it's based on the path vector routing. So in distance vector routing, the router tracks for each destination what is the shortest distance and what is the next hop, okay, along the shortest path to the destination. In path vector, okay, so this one running at the inter-AS level, the source AS will track for each destination AS, what is the entire AS level path, inter-AS level path. So that inter-AS level path will contain all the intermediate ASs, okay, along the way from the source AS to the destination AS. So what's nice about keeping track of the entire AS path is this. The source AS knows by default what is the next hop AS. And by counting the number of ASs along the way, you get a rough sense of the path cost as well. But the downside of tracking the entire path is that the memory requirement is higher. But this is okay, right? At the inter-AS level, because we try to aggregate destination IP addresses, right, into prefixes, okay? And if we do that as much as we can, we are not actually storing a big vector containing one entry per IP addresses. Okay? Potentially, we just have a low number of these prefixes, okay, to span the entire IP address space. So, path vector is exactly what BGP, this one and only inter-AS routing, is based on.